Well, hello everyone. This is ACMA Oruna Bhochariji. I am back with another video. Well, today my topic of discussion is something else about the economy of India. If India wants to be a manufacturing hub in the real sense, then the only way it can do it at a faster pace, mark my words, is to give the Institute of Cost Accountants of India much more prominence than it is being given right now. Prominence in the sense, if you see the companies who are told to maintain cost records and the companies who are asked to maintain cost audit, the threshold limit is huge. And even on top of that, more than half of the goods and services are out of the purview. If this condition goes on for some more years, India cannot be a successful manufacturing hub very soon. It will take maybe more 30-40 years for India to become a manufacturing hub. First of all, India, the Indian government must understand the importance of cost accounting, maintenance of cost records, and the importance of cost auditing must be made mandatory in most of the organizations that are prevailing right now. More and more goods and services must be brought under the purview of cost records and cost auditing. The threshold limit that is there right now, it is huge, as most of the companies are out of that purview. In this way, even if we want to have a rosy picture that India will be a manufacturing hub, it is very, very difficult. The only way, mark my words, the only way in which India can be a manufacturing hub is by giving prominence to the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. That's it. The importance of cost in an economy, in the upbuilding of an economy, is huge. Cost is the mother of everything. If you have to be competitive with your exports, even if with the domestic competition, a person must be cost effective, and along with that it must not compromise with its quality. Who will look after the cost competitiveness? It is the cost accountants. You do not know in more than half of the companies that they are maintaining proper cost records and whether the audits are going on correctly or not, because they are not included in the purview. If, I again repeat, if and only if the Institute of Cost Accountants of Indians are given prominence than it is right now, India is soon, very soon, will be on the verge of becoming a manufacturing hub. It is a guarantee. The cost consciousness culture, we Indians, we don't have, and that is so unfortunate. Trust me. To develop the cost culture among the Indian government, among the Indian citizens, the prime person that should have been the epitome of work should have been the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. Enacted in the year 1959, you people have not been able to inculcate in India or to its government the importance of cost. You have to maintain your cost, you have to get your cost records audited at near about regular intervals, just like you do it for the financial accounts. But I do not know why is this taking so long for the Indian government to understand that, keeping everything aside, with all due respect to financial accounting, you have to give importance to your cost. Every manufacturing more and more manufacturing companies and their products and services must be brought under mandatory maintenance of cost records and cost audit. Enacted in 1959, the Institute of Cost Accountants of India should have been much more proactive in helping the Indian government and the Indian citizens in developing a cost consciousness culture. But unfortunately, it is very sad to say that the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, despite some efforts, have not been able to make India cost conscious. It's a humble request to the Institute of Cost Accountants of India that do not sit idle. I know you are working, but working at this pace will not be enough. You need to be much more proactive in at least inculcating a cost culture behavior among Indians. If you can do this much in this lifetime, that will be more than enough as your achievement, because cost has got infinite opportunities for India as well as for the Indian economy and for the entire CMA fraternity as well. I hope you will be more proactive than you had been from the 1959 onwards till 2021. Thank you. Meet with you the next time with a new topic, with a new video. Please, Institute of Cost Accountants of India, work towards this goal. Thank you so much.